In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an aesthetically pleasing Etsy banner in just a matter of minutes. Why is the Etsy banner so important? Well, basically because it's like a welcome mat to your customers when they come to visit your shop. This is something that you don't want to skip over, which many people do. They think it's just something simple, which it is, but at the same time, it's important because it's the first impression that buyers have when they go to your Etsy shop. It gives it a sense of your brand, and it also gives a sense of professionality. You can also sneak some important information and incentives into your Etsy banner as well, which I'm going to show you how to do in this video. I'm excited because I stumbled across this feature within Kittl, and it literally makes it so easy. You can have your banner made in literally less than 3 minutes. I'm going to show you how. Let's get started. Here we are within Kittl. As you can see, they have many options to choose from. I was just playing around with this the other day, and I'm just literally amazed by the amount of options they have for us. You know, from book covers to labels to t-shirt designs, mug designs, you name it. But I was really excited to see the Etsy banners, which we're gonna get to in just a minute. I'm clicking over, but all of these are so excited. There's designs for tumblers, e-cards, comic strips, wallpapers, planners. There's so many things that we can be selling on Etsy through print on demand or digital products by using Kittl. So I'll make a whole nother video explaining some other things that we can sell on Etsy simply by using Kittl's features. But here we are, Etsy banners, so exciting. We're going to click into here. There are just so many options for us, so many different aesthetics that can fit into your brand. You want to think of what your color palette is and what your brand style is. I have videos on my YouTube channel that go over branding yourself in general and choosing a color palette if you want to go check that out for more inspo. Basically, with Kittl, you can choose a template. So let's say I want to choose this one here. The coolest part is that you can simply click on any of the text and change it to your shop name. So let's say fun fashion, and this actually works out for me. It says unleash your inner fashionista. I think I'm gonna keep that, but like you could delete that or you could change it to a saying that you like. And then obviously here I'm gonna probably just get rid of this, but you could change it to whatever you want. If you have a separate website aside from Etsy, you could put that here as well. Let's see, I'm gonna get rid of that for now. And then what I suggest whenever you have photo options for a banner, I suggest adding photos on your banner of items that you are selling. If you are a new shop, then just choose 2 or 3 items that you think are going to sell well and put them on your banner somewhere. When you start making sales and you have some best sellers, you want to switch out the pictures to the items that are selling the most within your shop at that time. So always make sure that you're showing some of the products that are selling well in your shop on your banner. It's the first thing that customers are going to see when they come to your shop. And if a lot of people are purchasing an item, a lot of times new customers will be interested in that item as well. So you can drag and drop any photos that you want into these right here. And then you can change these to whatever you would like it to say. If you're offering custom orders, this is great to have custom orders available. In my shop, I have like free, I'll just say enjoy free shipping. And then I also offer a sale. So I'm gonna put enjoy 20% off. So the first thing they see when they come to my shop is that I offer custom orders, I offer free shipping, and I also offer a 20% off sale. So those are 3 incentives for my customers to keep in mind right away before they start browsing my products. And then if you have a Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, or TikTok, you can leave this here. If your socials aren't the name of your shop, then I suggest writing the name of your socials. I would do like the @ and put like fun fashionista. Let's say like that's my IG or something. I would maybe put that above so that they know to follow you because it won't be clickable on the banner. And then if you wanted to, you could add something else down here because it looks a little blank. And I'm not saying to use this exact banner, but I'm just showing you an example of how quickly you can change things. The other thing you can do is if you like the look of this banner, but it doesn't match your brand color palette, then you can easily change the colors in a matter of seconds to this banner. So if I click on any color within here, I can easily change it just by dragging this little color toolbar to any color that I want. But yeah, so you can play around with it and change different color elements in here. You could take out the smiley face altogether and add a different element if you want to. You come over to the toolbar here and say I want to add like a flower or something. I could say flowers, and you can very easily change that graphic. Take that out, put a different one in. Doesn't necessarily match, but I'm just trying to give you an idea of how you can change things to make it your own. And then you would just come up here to download, and I would change this from a PNG to a JPEG and download. And if you want to give Kittl a try for free, you can go ahead and click the link in my description below.